Now we're ready to install the flexible sill pan flashing. What I'm using here is a Butyl peel and stick membrane, also referred to as self-adhered flashing. And we're going to pan flash the opening, and I'll show you the process of how we do that. So now we're going to take a 9-inch wide roll of the flexible flashing to build our sill pan. I want to find this lower corner and make a vertical cut so that the sill pan flashing will lay down right on top of my apron. So now we're ready to install the bow ties in the corners. A bow tie is basically the Butyl self-adhered flashing that's 4 inches wide and 4 inches tall, and I put a V-notch in it with 1 inch of material in the middle. And we're going to apply that at the corners that could be susceptible to potential water intrusion. Now we're prepared to set the vertical jamb flashings. Like the sill, I'm using a 9-inch wide roll of Butyl flashing, and I want to protect the trimmer studs from any incidental moisture. So I'm going to install the piece approximately 2 inches above the opening and set it perfectly plumb all the way down the jamb.